Did you go down there and see who that is?
DJ, no, I'm gonna walk down there. DJ Woody Woods right there. My son live. You understand? You know? Now you don't believe he with Pops? Peace. My daughter-in-law doing her thing. If y'all in Brooklyn, come down to Fulton Street. You see? You see what it is. Black owned. My daughter-in-law. You understand? Look at that. Y'all come check him out. Look at them shows. Beautiful. Look at them. Alright? You see? Look at that live. Alright? That's my beautiful daughter-in-law. There you go.
They're going to be on the website Monday at 10 a.m. distinctivestuffs.com.
There you go.
Pink, green, and of course orange.
Uh-oh. Look at there, y'all. Y'all, listen. Y'all see what it is. Yeah. Now y'all got to come on down. We're in Brooklyn right now, live. All right, Fulton Street, and matter of fact, Brooklyn. All right, y'all come on down. Check it out. See?
Even though my rice is cold, I ate it with my hot chicken.